morning and welcome to day 2 at the studio here in Paris. This morning we are talking future flow with Peter Nemceck. Peter, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for inviting me.
Perhaps the most important question, what is future flow and what are its objectives?
Yeah, well, Future Flow is a very interesting project. We started this project almost 4 years ago. It will finish next January. And its objective was to join balancing markets of 4 countries, Slovenia, Austria, Hungary, and Romania, into one single balancing market for secondary control, AFRR. And not just that, also allowing distributed generation and demand response flexibilities to collaborate to provide bids on these markets on equal ground as conventional generation. This was the objective, and we managed to do it, and we had real-life pilots with real customers, activating them. These customers provided flexibility to balancing market, and we now at the end of the project we have some exciting results.
Speaking of results, can you go into a little bit more detail about those?
Sure. So we found out that just by combining these 4 markets into one integrated balancing market, the TSOs could save up to 23% of balancing energy. And if you add into this equation also participation of flexibilities from industrial customers, commercial customers, distributed generation, you increase these savings up to 60%, which is amazing.
Now, you mentioned to me that there were some unanticipated results as well. Do you want to expand on that a little bit?
Yeah, sure. I mean, when we started this project, of course, TSOs were a little bit, not sure whether flexibilities could be suitable for such demanding service as AFRR. Because you have to know that for this service, all the flexibility providers are getting online set point that is updated every 2 seconds. So it's quite challenging to maintain such control and responsibility. However, we have seen that this is possible. So TSOs basically opened the market for these flexibilities, for especially in Austria and Slovenia. And now we see that more and more flexibility providers are joining this. And recently we helped one new aggregator, NGen, in Slovenia, to connect to this market 12 megawatt Tesla battery.
Sounds like exciting times ahead.
Yeah.
Peter, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
From the studio here in Paris, thanks for watching.